Top 5 Online Earning Website Without Investment. Online earning website is the easiest way to earn money in today's digital world. There are many more possibilities of using tools and services that will give you another way to earn money from your home. Most of these are through online websites or mobile applications, which is the preferred source of quick income. We highly recommend some websites, because they are the most reliable, legal, simple and time-worthy of online making money. Also, these sites are tested by thousands of online users, who guarantee that these sites are a permanent source of earning online money, due to their usability and pay methods. 1. Amazon. You can easily earn money by becoming an Amazon affiliate. As you all know, Amazon is a very big e-commerce website. Therefore, the possibility of its product being sold is also high. You can create your Amazon Associates account for free by visiting Amazon Affiliate Program. While registering, they ask you for a website link. If you do not have any website, then you can also link your Facebook page link. After the account is created, you have to promote the affiliate link of the product you want to sell. As soon as the product is purchased from your link, you get a fixed commission for it. 2. Upwork. Upwork is one of the best money earning sites that gives you lots of tools to make money from the internet as the fastest and simplest way. Be it website designing, blog writing, sales, marketing, or accounting, etc. The Upwork platform gives you space and network to build your technical skills. At Upwork, the percent of what you're earning is calculated on the basis of how much you earn from the contractor. For instance, for the first $500 you bill to the client, sites will take a 20% commission. 3. Mishu. Mishu is one of the fastest growing platforms in the world of reselling. With Mishu you can easily earn 25,000 to 30,000 rupees a month. This app is available for both types of people. If you have a product and want to sell it, then you can join it as a supplier. If you do not have any product, then you can join as a reseller. The best thing in this will be that whatever product you sell will be delivered in the name of your own brand. If you have mobile phone and internet, then you can create your store in minutes. 4. Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing online earning website that promotes professionals like logo designs, social media posters, voiceovers, typing work, etc. for various companies and clients. It is the easiest way to earn money, starting from a $5 gig, out of which $1 is charged by Fiverr for using the service. Any person with minimum skills can use the Fiverr and effortlessly earn up to $100 or more per hour. All you have to do is list up services that you offer and get an order. Once the order is done, you can get paid and get win for more orders. Here, $5 winning streak for everyone. 5. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the great online survey sites. When you register for free, you'll get a $10 welcome bonus. To earn points, you can choose from topics like taking surveys, online shopping, watch videos, play games, discover deals, etc. Later you can use your earned points for gift cards to your favorite sites like Amazon and Walmart, or avail cashback from PayPal. Validately is one of the best online earning websites. You'll be only complete a number of tasks, tell your ideas and opinions, and answer some questions, reference your views to a site or app. The task is available on a daily basis. Not everyone or tester would match the criteria for all the tasks, so you will be informed by email about available tests for you. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to this channel.